Hi everyone, it's Cook Step by Step. Today we're making the easiest 2-ingredient kale chips. All you need is a bunch of kale. We're gonna cut out the middle part and just have the leaves and separate them, just rip them apart with your fingers. I got 2 big bowls and hummus. This is Sabra garlic roasted. It's already salty and flavorful, so we do not need to add that to the kale. I'm just gonna add a big spoon of it to each, and don't be afraid to use your hands because no one is watching. And this is exactly like in the store. I'm using an Excalibur dehydrator, and I will put each of them on top and dry it for approximately an hour and a half. And here you can see the trays, and through the little holes it will ventilate and dry perfectly. For the first 30 minutes I set the temperature on high and then low for the remaining time. You can make kale chips this way with any sauce you like, ranch, barbecue, or Thousand Island. The result will be much better than the store-bought one, and it's fresher and you know exactly what the ingredients are. Bon appetit!